Hello and welcome. Welcome to my Canva YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at how to remove the background from your images and your videos in Canva. This can be done on the Pro account, but you can also remove background on some external apps as well, websites if you want to. But having the Pro account in Canva is so worth it just for this background remover tool for images and videos. So I'm going to dive straight in. I'm going to show you how we do this. First of all, we actually need a photo that we want to remove the background for. So I'm going to click on create a design and I'm going to go to say Instagram post, for example, and we're going to add a photo into this. It could be a photo you have uploaded into Canva, or it could be a photo that you find in the Canva photos section. I'm going to go to the photos section and find a nice photo. Right, so here we go. These are all the photos. So let's say I'm creating a social media graphic for my Instagram account and I've got this photo. I don't like the background. I want to give it something else. So we're going to choose this one, for example. So I've got this photo. I want to use it within my design. I want to have some text around it, for example, but I don't like the background. It doesn't suit my branding colors. The simplest and quickest way to do this is click on your photo and click on BG Remover at the top, and it will automatically remove the background for you. I can now make my photo nice and big. It can sit here. I can change the color of the background if I want to by clicking the background color button. We can make it blue, green. I can now add some text in. Let's say new services coming soon. This is super quickly. I can add this in at the top, change my fonts to maybe something a little bit funky, maybe chunky. I quite like the bold ones, rounded fonts, something that will work with your business. It could even be your own branded fonts that you're using yourself. Just going to change the line spacing, and I've now got this new font at the top here. I'm going to change it to white, and that looks so much different compared to the original photo. This is the original photo. I added it into my design. I clicked BG Remover, and then I can turn it into my social media post for my Instagram account. What else can we do? We can actually remove the background in a different way. Let's use the same photo. If I click edit, it then brings up a load of different options for me that I can use with this photograph. And one of them is the BG Remover, the background remover. It is a Pro feature, so you will have to have Canva Pro for this. But there's lots of different filters as well, which will slightly change my photo for me. So if you want to remove the background, but you also want to be able to give it a filter, you can do so here. So we could go for something called latte. I'll click on BG Remover, and it's taken the background out, but it has left the filter in. You can see it's got that weird latte color, very different to the original. But we can also do this in videos as well. I love the fact that I can actually remove the background of a video. So let's head over to the video section in Canva and find a video that we can remove the background of. There used to be one I used for this a lot. It was a clock, a really funky little clock. And when you remove the background, it just looked really cool. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, we've got lots of clocks here. Let's remove the background of one of these. So say, for example, we love this clock. I want to use this in my design, but I don't want to use the orange background. I want to change it to pink, for example. I can't cut the background out, but I can click on BG Remover. So click on your video, click on BG Remover, and it will take the background out for you. I now have a fully functioning working video with no background. And same as the other one, I can change the color of the background. We could go pink. That's a little bit too pink, that one. yellow, for example, green. It's taken out some, you can see some green through the video of the clock. So obviously some parts that were similar colors within the actual clock to the background. So it's taken them out as well. Yellow, orange, I could go back to more of the original orange if I want to. I can add some information at the top. I've then got myself a fully working video with no background. So that's it really, a really super simple way of being able to use Canva Pro to remove the background of your photos and your videos. Now, I love Pro and I think it's worth paying Pro for these features alone. But if you are on the free plan and you just have an odd photo that you want to remove the background of every now and then, use something called the BG remover, remove.bg, and it will let you remove the background photo. You just upload your photo here, take it from your computer, and it will remove the background instantly for you. There is a download option, and then it will let you download it. You can then upload it into Canva and use it as you wish within your Canva account. But for me, I would definitely go Pro. So if you do want to try Pro and you want to just see how it works for you, there is a link in the comments where you can trial Pro free for 30 days and you can discover all of those amazing features. That's it from me. I'm Laura. I am a Canva creator and Canvassador. Absolutely love helping people with all things Canva related. Please do come and follow my channel. I would love you to be there. I have so many different things I will be posting about in the future, so definitely come and have a follow.